all set up for my dig, but he's not going to join me. Okay, here I go off on my adventure looking for crystals. So we're on the side of the mountain here, and they dig things, stir things up. Just scored the perfect crystal. Look at that. It's in the shape of a heart. I think that one's going to Sam. So I've got my stuff sitting here waiting for me, and I didn't even notice. Rock. They're everywhere. Alright, we just finished our lunch, and now I am back to work. As we're sitting here, you can see we're surrounded by crystals, even at our feet. They're everywhere. I love this place.
That's only because I dug them. I dug those out and put them here.
You did not. Did you dig these out too?
Yep.
How about that? Did you dig that? And that? And that? You were a busy guy. Oh, look at this little cluster. Score! Alright, lunch is done and I'm back to work. Over here is a big hole, some people are digging. I'm going back up there. Look at how after the rain, all these little crystals are just kind of sitting on their own pedestal. Arrangement of crystals. How cool is that? Wish I had room for this one. It's a little too big. But oh, so beautiful.
Looks like you're doing our laundry, honey.
It's as dirty as it.
Pound them underwear against the rocks.
There, right. Nice. Let's see what's hiding in this one. Oh, there they're hiding. I knew there was something more to it.
Would you like to explain just what the heck you're doing right now?
I'm having fun. That's what I'm doing.
Why does an RV need a bag of rocks?
Oh my God, it's not rocks. It's beauty and it's energy. Come on, hon. Take a look at it. Can you see it sparkling? Ooh. Especially that one. I don't even have my prize winner out there. Here, take a look at this one. Get this in the sun. Look at that one. Wow. That's my prize.
You're my prize.
Okay, we got 2 prizes.
All right. So she's been working on this about at least 2 hours now. And she spent all day, and obviously she would have gotten more spectacular big ones if we would have somehow to carry them.
Yeah,
she had the difficulty to try to find something tiny and spectacular. and those are usually all picked up by the kids, so she had to really work at it.
This is like meditation. It's I could be a dentist, you know, getting the plaque off, get the plaque off.
Well, hey, let's do that later. All right, hon. Say bye.